Hi everybody, welcome to another origami tutorial. I am Tree and today I am going to teach you how to make an awesome origami helicopter. This origami is my new design and this is not too difficult to make. All you need is patience. And now let's start. To make the origami you need a piece of origami paper, or if you don't have origami paper, just trim A4 paper or use letter size paper to a square piece of paper. Now let's start. First of all, let's flip the paper over and fold the paper in half. And now fold the paper in half this way to create a cross. Perfect. On the following step, let's turn the paper like this. I will hold the paper up so you can see it clearly and fold the paper in half too. Next, fold the paper in half the other way. Now, unfold the paper. Perfect. Next step, let's turn the paper like this. And you can see this crease. Let's fold both creases from both sides to this center crease. So let's do it. When you fold both sides to the center crease, you can match the both edges here together. And then you can fold the part here down and press the paper. Same thing for the other side. Let's fold this to the other side and fold it down. And it's look very good. Next step, let's open both sides of the paper and press down this crease. And this is what you should have. On the following step, let's start from this side first. This upper layer, let's fold this edge, match it to the center crease. And then unfold the paper. Repeat the same fold for this side. And now let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let's finish this part of the paper and then we will flip the paper over and we repeat the same fold. So I will turn the paper like this. This angle, I will see the paper easier and fold it. Now we have all creases. Let's match both edges here together. Try to match them together. And here we go. And fold it down. Let's look good. So fold this side up and repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's turn the paper this way and do the same thing. And fold the paper down. Perfect. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side of the paper. So flip the paper over and press down all edges and start from this side first, fold it to the center crease. Press down and start from this edge, fold to the center crease as well. You can do that, this is an optional. And unfold the paper and open the paper. Now let's start from this edge, fold to the center crease. So the previous fold is optional. Now you have fold, right? And you can unfold the paper, repeat the same fold here. Let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And then unfold the paper, start from the upper edge here, fold to the center crease. Press down the paper. Now this is what we have. Let's start from this side first. Let's match both edges together and rest it down. Perfect. And fold like this. Same thing for this side. Let's turn the paper like this and then repeat the same fold. And press it. Perfect. And fold it down. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's fold the paper in half like this. Let me show you again. So this is what we have. Let's fold the paper in half. Perfect. Let's fold in half, press down. Okay. Now I will unfold the paper. The reason why I fold the paper in half is to give you a hint what we are going to do next. So the first step of the second part of the video, I will fold this part of the paper up. You can see it is up now, right? Perfect. And I press the paper down. And of course, I repeat the same fold for this side. I fold this side out and then press it. And I will show you what it will look like. Let's fold the paper in half now. When I fold the paper in half, it will look like this. You know what I'm going to do next? I will repeat the same fold for the other side. So I will fold this part out like this again, and then I flip the paper over and I start from this side. I fold it and match it to the other side. And same thing here. I will do the same fold. I will start from this side. I match it to this part of the paper. So this one is not even. You can see this doesn't look nice, so we need to fix it. Okay, before it's too late. Okay, after I fit it, I can fold this side out to match what I want. So I fold the paper and fold it out. Now we have 1, 2, 4 sides. Let's fold the paper in half either way. I can fold the paper in half like this. Now I will fold this side out. This is the outside. I will open this and I'll fold it backward. I'll fold it backward like this. I can fold it down too. So very simple. Let's fold it down like this. So this is what we have. I fold it back. Let me show you again. So this is what you have so far, right? And now I pull it out, and there's a crease which we already make. That will help us to fold this. So we can match this edge to the crease here we have, and then we fold it backward. And then let's turn the paper over, repeat the same fold. So I will open this and I match this edge to the crease here we have, and then I will fold this backward. Okay, so that's look pretty cool. On the following step, let me open this layer for now, and you can see this layer right here. I'll match it to, I'll fold this, actually I will fold this edge, match it to this edge right here. Does look fine. And this size here, right, I will fold down just a little bit right here. I just make the fold. Look at this. I just make the fold, and then I will stop. So this is what we have. And then I flip the paper over. I repeat the same fold. Open this layer. I will hold this layer, and I force match this tip, this point here to the crease. I just fold straight down. Okay, it's maybe difficult for now, but let me see the other side how I fold it. So I match it right here, and I will do the same thing for this side. You can see that, match this edge, and then I'll fold this side back to hold the paper. Same thing here, I'll fold down. I'll cut it. Alright, so we have this side and the other side as well. And on the top here, I'll fold straight up like this. You can see this part. I fold up. I use my thumb to hold the top and fold up. Now this is what we have, and then I fold both sides backward. This may not big enough, but be patient. Okay. And then the top here, just push it down. Perfect. Alright, so now we will deal with this part of the paper, right? So this is how it look like. Let's fold it this way. So we want it to stay up like how we have here. We need to pull it down a little bit. So we want it to look like this, right? The tip here, actually we can just fold it up just a little bit. We do not need to fold too much because we want it to look like the helicopter. Just a little bit is fine. And here we can fold this up to create a stand of the helicopter. So one here, and then we turn the paper over. We can use this part as a reference to fold it. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We can fold up a little bit too. Now unfold the paper, and we have the crease as a reference already. Now let's do a reverse fold. This may be difficult, but let's do it. Let's do it. We can do it. So we would do a reverse fold, right? We need to separate. Remember that you have two layers here. Make sure that you you need to get to the center of the paper. So let's do a reverse fold. I'll hold the paper up and I'll do a reverse fold like this. It's a little bit difficult, but I believe that you can do it. Okay, so I just finished the reverse fold. Look at what I have here. Same thing for this side, right? Open both sides, open it, and then keep pushing, and then adjust the paper until you have it. So curve the paper, curve both sides. So let's do it this way. Make sure that both sides are even when you do a inside out reverse fold. I'll pull it out. So look at this, both sides are even. Here we go. So after you finish that, let's fold this part to the right or the left of your side. Same thing for the other side. The reason why we do that is to make sure that the helicopter will stay. It can stand up. Otherwise, will not stand at all. So make sure that this one stay in here. And look at this. That is the tail of the helicopter. That's easy. Just hold and pull it up. Pull it up like this. Alright, so we have the tail, and just fold it. At the very end, just make a fold like this, because this is one piece helicopter. There is room to improve, and I will show you the improved version soon. So just for this to make it look nice. So this is what we have. And for the propeller, just fold this one out like this. Just start from both sides and fold it. And you can place the helicopter wherever you want to. This look very nice. We can make the head a little bit heavier. So this is how it look like. Here you go. This is the helicopter. I hope you guys will enjoy making this helicopter, and I will show you the next version of this origami helicopter. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe. Finally, thank you for watching and see you next time.